So guys, today we are starting our masterclass for pool technique expert for American pool, and it goes for any cue sports, any pool table, whether it's a 9-ball pool or 8-ball pool. You can use this to improve your technique. So let's start our today's lesson and see how it's going to help your game to enhance your skills with the use of technique expert by AQ Snooker. So guys, we are working on the technique expert that is for the pool, and AQ Snooker initiated this project a few months back, and it is an excellent tool for anyone who wants to work on his technique. So the first thing, which is the most important thing, is to just align it with the pocket the way I'm doing it now. If you are struggling with alignment, so it's a good idea you place your cue with it, any cue on this one, and then adjust it with the pocket. And once it's correct with the pocket, and that's it, you're all set. This is the simple setting process of it. So this masterclass is going to give you a few ideas through your system with which you can get most benefit of this one when you're working on your pool table at home or in your club. So first thing first, you don't need any ball, just leave them on one side, leave technique expert on the table, and then just stand in the middle of the shot on the line of fame, which is the extended line of fame. Just place your cue ball like this, cue on the white spot, and then just try to go in the shot and see if you are in the center of the of this line or not. If you are across, if you see after going down you are across like this, it's a good idea you correct your stance, and then try to be aligned with this line of fame. So first step is you make sure that when you are going in the shot, you are placing your cue, going down in the shot, and once you make the bridge, are you still there or are you just off on this side or that side? Whatever side is appearing in your tip, it's a good idea that you correct it with your stance, and now your stance is perfectly balanced. So this is step one. And then there is second step, that is an advanced set, is that once you practice this one 40-50 times, 100 times, 200 times, then what you can do is just go like a normal shot and then just start to go in the shot and see if you are going in the shot correctly or not. Let's say again, once you are without placing the cue on the white, you're going in the shot and you're finishing like this across. Try to correct it like this and see your cue should be on the exact line of aim, like this. So let's say if you are like this and then you see still on offline, so correct your stance. So you can readjust your stance according to your body weight, according to the line of aim. That will actually correct your cueing by hitting. Whenever you are going to pot a ball, you will know that where to hit and how you are aligned or not. So this is very important. Again, just keep in mind, once you're done, if you're not, you adjust it and then start running your cue on this line. So like this, do it slowly and then start finishing your shot like this, finishing your shot like this, and see if you are finishing in the center or not. If you are struggling there with the finish, let's say if you are playing a shot and you're finishing like this, so it means your cue is going on one side. So you have to restrict your arm, you have to restrict your body and try to run it straight like this and see if your tip is finishing within this extended line of aim, and that will give you an exact feedback of your cueing going right or left, and it will automatically start removing your errors within your cue arm or cueing. Once you are done, the best thing you can do is just start placing your white ball without any other object ball, and make sure you chalk your cue. And again, let's start with the same process. This is you going in the shot straight because you have already practiced it. Now run your cue slowly and finish your shot and see if your shot is exactly going in the pocket. and your cue is finishing straight or not. If still you are struggling with it, then you have to redo it again and again, then repeat the step 1 and step 2. So this is our step 3. I'm showing you one more shot, so that will give you an idea. So you're going in the shot like this and run your cue, do your cueing, and just finish it. And see your cue is finishing exactly on the extended line of aim or not. So this is very important. Once you are happy with it, okay, step 4 is place any ball on the object ball and then place your white ball on its spot, and then again all you have to do is to just place your tip near the white ball and go in the shot and start cueing. Okay, and then finish your shot and see if your cue is finishing straight or is it going offline on. If it's going online, the ball might deviate or the white ball might deviate off the line, which you don't want. And once you start practicing like 10-15 shots on this one, then 10-15 on this one, then increase the distance and you can place your ball, let's say, further with further distance, increase the distance of the ball, and then place your white ball again. This is the perfect way of developing your cueing. Without it, I don't think any player in the world can play good snooker or pool if he has no rhythmic or systematic cueing. So that's what is teaching you and correcting you as well. So let's do it again. Now our shot is a bit tough. Don't try to do it too fast. Let's go. Now you see there was a tendency of side. That's why the white, got off the technique expert. So I need to hit more correctly in next shot, so it will come perfect in my next shot. Let's try it again. Okay, let's try another shot and see if we can run our cue correctly on the line of aim. That's it. So that means it's a good shot. So keep practicing 14, 15, 20 shots, and then once you're confident with your shot, then increase the distance again. Once you're done with it, if you have completed all your previous drills, then place your ball, any ball, so usually black ball or any ball, on this spot, and place your white ball on the same spot and start checking your cue. Now this is the good test of cueing. So just your cueing on the game, that if we are hitting it straight or not. Let's see. All you have to do is to just cue straight like this. There. That's it. That's a decent shot. There was a slight hint of probably right hand side, so you can this ball always gives you good feedback of your hitting, whether it was sweet or not. So keep doing it and make sure there is no side when you are hitting it, and that will correct your hitting automatically. So keep practicing again and again, again and again. That's what it's all about, because we have started without any ball, then with the white ball, then with the object ball, then with the distance object ball. So I hope you will learn a lot about your technique with this. Let's see. It's a good shot. Probably when it's coming off, it's swinging off, but the shot, I'm happy with my cueing. So once I'm done with this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the distance of my ball with my white ball. Let's say I've placed my cue on the table, and place any ball in the center of your tip. So now this gives you an idea that this is a straight aligned with the line of aim. And now all you have to do is to again place your white ball on this white spot and start hitting the shots again. Now this is a bit more difficult, so the more practices you're doing, the more difficult it will be becoming. Okay, so let's do it again, and that's it. So it means my shot was good, my delivery was good, the ball went straight off the technique expert and potted the ball. Let's do it again. Make sure your ball is straight with in the center of the ball, so that will give you the confidence that your balls are straight. So you are practicing straight with this one, and then we will work on our angle shots as well. So that's it, and then you can do like this. Again, place your cue, and you have to play these shots like 500 times, 400 times to make sure that your technique has become part of you and it has become your second nature. Without technique, you cannot grow your game, you cannot improve your skills. So this is a skill development tool. So that's how you work on this one. Now you see there in the center to your cue. That's it, there. And you can see the both balls went in. It means the cueing was very good, the delivery was very good. So once you can get this one, that means you have actually started playing very well and your cueing has improved. That's what we are looking for, isn't it? So it's a good news. So you can do the same practice from different angles as well. Like let's say you want to practice like this, make sure your cue is straight and place it on this side. Once you do it straight like this, place your white ball again on any spot, start increasing the distance, and place your white ball like this, and then again go in the shot, run your cueing. So this is giving you a good habit of playing shots correctly, centralized striking. Keep doing it again and again and again. If you are hitting casually, like this shot was a bit casual, that's why my white ball went off. So keep doing it again and again. So this will actually guide you. If you want to do more tougher straight shots, you can play like this. This will also give you a good idea. And now let's move to an angle pot and let's see how this is going to work. We can use either laser for this one, or we can also use a very simple method. Let me remove my angles expert. There's a whole tutorial on this one available, masterclass actually, on my website. So let's say we place our technique expert in the center of this on the center of the table. So what we are going to do is we are going to just place our cue. This will actually give you the exact idea of where to hit. So place one ball in the center of the tip like this and make sure it is straight like I'm doing now. That's it. And then place one ball, plant going in this pocket like this. Orange ball is going, 5 number ball is going in this pocket. So if it's not straight, then correct it. Now this is correct. So now we know this is in the center of the ball. So now remove it, you can mark it, and then you can do it again. So leave this 5 ball on the spot, chalk it, and then place your white ball, and then again you go in the shot. Just place your cue. The technique what you have learned there is time to apply on cut shots. So just go there. All you have to do is to just run your cue the way you were doing with the. That's it. So once you're successful with it, do the same drill on the other side, then same drill on this side, and then change the direction of the table, then change the direction of your, make it more difficult, bring your cut shot on this side, the more difficult shots, but this is the easiest way I can give you. To just place any ball straight in the center of the tip, and then with this line of aim, and then place any ball on any spot towards the pocket, and then you remove it, and then you just place your white ball on this one and start hitting it like 400 times, 500 times, and then you will actually start visualizing the contact point of the ball, that when you hit this like this, where is the intersection point. So that intersection points actually helps you to get into the pocket, this ball into the pocket, and that's how you learn angle shots. So technique expert is a comprehensive tool. Once you're done with it, it has 2 parts. One is the basic version. Another one is the advanced version. I was practicing on the advanced version, but I would recommend that you should start with the basic version of it. So any questions, you can always leave us on our Facebook or YouTube comments, or even WhatsApp us. The numbers are there, and I hope this will help you a lot. There will be a guide laser with it. Snooker or pool or cue sport, any sport, it's all about your drilling, your repetition again and again and again. The more you can practice, the more you can drill your arm, the more stamina you have of hitting, the better you can become, the better player you can become. So I hope this masterclass helped you. And any questions, you can always contact me there as well. Thank you very much. Take care.